If you think Bangkok is all about shopping malls, traffic, and skyscrapers, but that's not the whole story. Today, I'm taking you to Benjakitti Park, one of my favorite places in the city. It's only a short walk from Asok BTS station and Terminal 21, but honestly, it feels like stepping into a completely different Bangkok. Let's check it out. It's just after sunrise, and this is definitely the best time to be here. It's already warm, and if you've been in Bangkok before, you'll know the humidity doesn't waste any time. But in the early morning, the park feels calm and refreshing. Just a few minutes ago, we were surrounded by traffic. Now, all you can hear are birds, few steps, and occasional sound of runners passing by. It's hard to believe one of the Bangkok's busiest areas is only a few minutes away. And then you spot one, the famous Asian water monitor. The first time I saw one, I thought it was a crocodile. They're massive. Some can grow over 2 meters long, but they're surprisingly calm. Most of the time, you'll find them swimming, sunbathing, or quietly searching for food. As long as you give them some space, they'll happily ignore you. I could honestly spend hours just watching people here. Some are getting a morning run in, others are taking it easy before work. It just has a really nice vibe. Tucked away among the trees is a small Buddha statue. It's easy to miss, so keep an eye out for it. If you're visiting, I'd definitely come early in the morning or around sunset. Once the sun gets higher, you'll really start to feel Bangkok's heat and humidity. And if you need to cool down afterwards, there are usually few vendors outside the park selling cold drinks. Trust me, you'll be glad they're there. Come back in the evening and the whole place comes alive again. After work, the park fills up with locals out for a walk, a run, or just to relax before heading home. This is probably my favorite part of the walk. The combination of the lake, the greenery, and the Bangkok skyline is what makes Benjakitti Park so special. It's peaceful, relaxing, and somehow feels far away from the city, even though Asok is only a short walk from here. It's one of those places where you naturally slow down, take a deep breath, and simply enjoy the view. And if you're lucky, you might witness one of the park's most unforgettable moments. Monitor lizards are excellent swimmers, and every now and then you'll see one crossing the lake with a fish in its mouth. It's something you definitely don't expect to see in the middle of Bangkok. Moments like this are a reminder that Benjakitti isn't just another city park. It's a thriving natural habitat in the heart of the city. If you're looking for somewhere to escape the crowds, stretch your legs, or simply slow down for a couple of hours, I'd absolutely recommend adding it to your Bangkok itinerary. If you enjoyed coming along with me today, make sure to subscribe to HQ Travel for many more travel videos from Bangkok and around the world. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next adventure.